Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook photos private. Now, I get it, Facebook sometimes shares a bunch of photos, images that you really would rather not be shared from your past, and it can be seen from a bunch of different people. That might be your friends, it might be set to public, it might be set to friends of friends, and you'd rather all of those photos should be set to private so you don't have to worry about that random stray image from 10 years ago getting out. I'll walk you through various steps to make all of those images private. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here, and I'm going to tap on menu at the very bottom right. And then I'm going to tap at the top left where it says see your profile. And then I'm going to walk you through a few different options you have in terms of making these photos private. So let's scroll down, and you can see right here on the left here is photos. So I'm going to tap on that, and this will show all of the different photos. So the first thing is photos of you. So the key here is these are photos that you might be tagged in. So I can go to this one, and you can see that I didn't post this photo. So I can't control the privacy settings and change it to being visible to only me. So what I can do at the top right here is just tap the three dots, and then I can just hit remove tag here. And I can remove this tag, which means it won't be linked to my profile anymore. And going forward, it won't be showed up on my profile. Nobody random can see this image, and it will be set to private. Now, at the very top here, I can go over to uploads. If there are specific photos that you want to set to private, all you have to do is just tap on the photo, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you can either, of course, delete the photo or just tap edit privacy, and then change it from public over to only me. So then it'll be completely private for only you, and no one else will be able to see it. I'm just going to hit done at the top right. Now that I've done that, you can also go over to albums. And this is a really quick way to change the privacy and make a lot of photos at once private. So I'm just going to scroll down to a random album here and tap the three dots at the top right and tap edit album. Now on here you can see that the privacy is set to friends. I can tap there and switch it to only me if only I want to be able to see this, and then hit done at the top right and save. Unfortunately, there's no way to just select all of your albums and change the privacy to only me or make them all private. Facebook is a bit annoying in that they don't really want you to limit the control that they have in sharing your photos with your friends and all of these different people. They don't want you to hunker down and make everything private, so they don't make it easy, unfortunately. But you have to go through all these albums and set it as private. Now, the last thing that I recommend doing is let's go back over to your profile. Let's just hit back here. And at the very top, I can tap those three dots, and then I'm going to tap View As. Now, the key here is at the bottom it says this is viewing as a public. So I recommend looking here and seeing if there are any images on here, any videos, any posts that you'd rather not be public. And then you can go one by one and change the privacy so that it is private and no one else can see those. So you can always tap edit profile there to go back and edit your profile if there's something that pops up there that you'd rather not pop up. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.